Quick steps, nothing extra. Let's start. In the first step, open settings. After that, tap on your name at the top. Next, select Find My. In the next step, tap on Find My iPad. Now switch off Find My iPad. Then input device passcode. In the next step, open settings. Then select General. After that, click on Transfer or Reset iPad. In the next step, tap on Erase All Content and Settings. Next, press Continue. Later, type in Device Passcode. In the next step, press Erase iPad. Later, allow the process to finish. After that, configure as a new device. You are good to go.